In all over the world, a lot of people involved in flu and cough problem. So here we will give you a fast remedy for flu and cough. So you drink it and take easy in your life from flu. But here, first of all, please share and like this video. So take the 2 cup of water in pan, put the 1 spoon of ferrule and 3 cloves in water. Hot the water just 10 minutes. Put the water in a cup with strainer. Take this tea 2 times a day with 1 spoon of honeybee. After some days, you will be better than before. If you have a problem persists, so consult your doctor.